And today we have a special announcement. We've started a. Well, Michael, why don't you tell them what's going on? So we've started a GoFundMe campaign. We're looking to raise $2,000 to buy a new camera, or buy a camera. This thing is shot on a cell phone. And we also want to buy some Ojibwe language books and comics from the Amazon site, from our Amazon site, so that in the fall, hopefully when the schools open up again, that we can be ready to offer these books to the schools. So with your help, we're hoping to raise $2,000. If you can't support us, I understand there's a worldwide economic crisis, but please just share this with your friends. So with that said, I'm gonna let you sign out. Okay then. Well, hey everybody, just want to say thank you so much for considering supporting our show, and hope you have a great day. I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minowa. Oh. All right, you can come back. All right, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.